Welcome back, one and all, as we record another episode of Pardon and Snick Play Back for Blood. For you guys, this might have been maybe a week or 2 weeks past because we're trying to schedule how we do out the episodes, but for us, it's still the same Sunday. So, happy Mother's Day to all. And yeah, we're gonna kill some zombies for you, moms.
Right? All you mother lovers out there.
Sheesh. All right, Faith and Iron, let's go. All right, look, my man just got a crowbar in his hand.
Turn up the heat.
He knows something we don't know. Let's just follow him.
Flare!
That motherfucker's gone.
I was just following him.
Damn, this man really ain't got no gun.
Nothing. He knows something we don't know, or maybe he has some like kind of challenge.
Or maybe he just really like specializes in melee weapons.
Maybe he's just that dude.
Need to reload.
Oh, so much for our escape without setting off the birds. What's a breaker? Oh yeah, we were in to beat his ass last time, right?
Nah, he beat that ass.
Just point where you don't want me to, okay?
I never knew so many people lived around here.
Sheesh.
Eat me.
Hey,
Superb marksmanship.
look
Get
at all
one-
my ammo, but
All
jeez.
right, you get one time with us, boy.
Until we can extract the injured back to home. Rendezvous with the team at the library. Save as many as you can. God knows we need numbers. Hope one out.
My bad, I was getting too ahead of myself. Y'all let me know when y'all ready. I was out here just living my best life, and I looked and I was like, wait a minute, motherfucker.
Last thing we need is a late payment at the fort.
Say, hold up.
Yeah.
Wait a
Boat
minute.
safety is paramount.
Hold up.
So, I'll trust you'll sterilize the infection when necessary.
Got him. Tall boy, right in front of us.
Point the business in at the ready, please.
You all right there, hon?
Weird smoker thing. I don't know his name.
Hold on to this for safety.
Sleeper?
Always could use more of these.
Live for this.
Flashlight on.
Nothing down here.
Help. Help.
Reloading.
Is this where we're going? In here?
Well, what do you know? Running low on ammo.
Hoffman! I'll kill you if you do that again.
Sincere apologies.
What are we doing in here?
I don't know.
Guess just to get that first aid. Okay, now let's go, Jared. It wouldn't be an episode if Jared didn't scare some birds, now would it?
How you know it's birds?
What was it?
I don't know.
Hear that?
Woo!
Oh damn.
Well, damn.
Like they got another one.
Not today, sir.
Whatever that is, I don't like the sound of it.
Oh shit. Okay, I'll take that one.
Well, you scared the birds.
Yeah, I knew that. There's something you'll want to see here.
What is with you? Jared, God damn it.
Hey, the birds ran into me.
No, they didn't. Tall boy behind us.
Can't leave anyone behind who's still able.
Blew off his whole arm.
What looks like a bag?
Damn it. We need everyone we can get. There has to be more survivors. Keep looking.
Did you hear that?
Oh shit.
Goddamn.
Where'd that one come from? Oh, up there. God damn, they can reach far.
Taking this. Done for now.
Shit behind us.
Goddamn.
Got him. Hey, in here.
Better than Bill.
Money.
No. Money.
I know. Stuff is like glue.
Survivors here.
Survivors where? I see him.
There you go. This should come in handy. Here's to a respite, no matter how brief. Well, what do you know?
A memento.
Cover me.
How do we get in here? Where the fuck are y'all?
We went outside.
Glad you made it.
Where are the others?
The team didn't make it.
Outside how? You went out back through the where we came in?
Through the same door.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not there. Neither are none of the survivors because y'all left us. So
Lights on.
I found it. Okay, man. Bring your ass. Sheesh.
Right.
See, look at them and their cool cosmetics. That's where I want to be in this game. It's like Fall Guys, you know, when you have Captain Ahab, everyone knows you're that dude. That means you got level 200 in the last season. That's what I want.